Hello, I'm Paul Rutledge with Campus Cloud Services. I want to thank you in advance for taking time to watch this recording. The focus of this video is to provide an overview of our student information systems ability to support the operational needs of post-secondary education. At Campus Cloud, we see the SIS as the data hub for any organization fulfilling that educational mission. This video's topic is an introduction to the Campus Cloud team, development vision, and technology infrastructure in support of this perspective. So let's jump into, first and foremost, the introduction of who we are. Campus Cloud was founded by Dan Noble, who's on the presentation with us, and Sasha Stoka, who both of them have over 30 years of experience in higher education, IT consulting within institutions like yourself. The development vision of Campus Cloud Services is we kind of see ourselves more of an agile software developer and consultant organization than selling you an out-of-the-box software platform. We believe our SIS is enterprise capable, large school scalable, and very cost-effective for smaller institutions. Dan, do you want to chime in a little bit?
Sure. Some of you probably know me and Christine from our previous company, TMD, Technology Management Design. If you know us, you know that we've helped schools with Power Campus, Power Fades, and Great Plains for, oh my gosh, longer than I want to think about, right, Christine? Seems like 95 or 96, sometime in that place. And we've helped a lot of schools with that. We've taken that expertise and over the years found that there was a lot of systems out there, but a lot of systems didn't really meet the needs of our clients. And what we also found was kind of every time you turned around, the software vendors wanted more money and weren't changing the system, and upgrades were unbelievable. So we tried to throw that all out of the box and build a system that's quickly deployable, that has a low barrier to entry for price costing, and is cloud-based. I mean, it was written for the cloud. It's not something that was ported over from, VMware or something like that. It is truly a web application. It runs on any device you got, whether it's a PC, an Apple, or a smartphone, or whatever you have. Myself and Sasha started developing the system back in 2013, 2012, somewhere in there. And we took our first client live in 2015. So we've been out there for a number of years. We have clients that are, as Paul said, small. We have schools at 100 students. We have schools that are over 50,000 students. So it's infinitely scalable. Christine helps us with our project management and, working with the clients on implementations. Our programmers are based in the Caribbean and in Eastern Europe. With the cloud today, you can do things from almost anywhere. So that, in a nutshell, is kind of us and the staff that's involved.
The next thing we should talk about is the technology itself. It's the first natively designed software package for the cloud. Utilize SkySql as the cloud database. It running on the Google Cloud platform. It's got some very unique web-based applications. It's not a legacy SIS or database package that was webized for the cloud, and it worked a lot differently. Want to talk a little bit about that, Dan?
Yeah, so we use Google Cloud Platform, SkySql, which was MariaDB. Some of you may know them. Those guys were the author of MySQL before they sold it to Oracle for millions and millions of dollars. And then when their non-compete expired, they started MariaDB and SkySql. They've since split the two off. And so MariaDB is the equivalent of the old MySQL, and SkySql is their enterprise level product. We run that in conjunction with Google Cloud Platform. And what Google Cloud Platform provides us with is as Paul says, dynamic scalability. What it is they run multiple environments at the same time across 3 of their physical locations, and they do data replication across those 3 platforms. So since we've been with them the last 5 years, we've had absolutely zero downtime. Because if one of their platforms goes down or it gets a DDoS attack or something like that, you'll be routed to the other servers and you won't even know it. In fact, we have clients in the West Coast that actually use the servers, Google servers out in the West Coast. And our real host is in Iowa, but the other server is in New Jersey. So that platform, and they do that data replication across it. It requires some interesting programming. For instance, if you've got a trigger that fires off an email, well, you don't want that to happen 3 times, right? Because you got 3 different servers running. So that really gives us a real solid platform. We have multiple gigabit connections into that database. They do backups and redundancy for us, and that's all controlled by Google Cloud Platform. And part of the services we buy from them was we have a SOC 1 and a SOC 2 with Google. And so the system is very well secured. If they get an attack, they just take the server down and spin us up someplace else. So it works really well.
I want to thank you for taking your time watching this video. I hope the topic was helpful to your thought process. If you'd like to schedule a further conversation or schedule a deeper dive demonstration of our capabilities, feel free to contact me by phone or email. Again, thanks for investing your time and have a great rest of the day.